All right guys, today is a big day because our contractor officially told us that these walls are going to be able to come down. He's going to put some beams up for us, but we first have to take off all the drywall and stuff for him to be able to measure.
And we're going to kind of get an official glimpse of what it's going to look like having this be more open into the living room, which in my head, I think I can picture it, but today we're going to be able to actually like see it, visualize it. So I'm so pumped.
Let's get to it. What do you think?
It's getting there.
That was some hard work. But we were actually only doing that for like 15 minutes. So
Yeah.
A lot of progress. I was surprised that there's insulation on that wall.
Yeah, why would that
That's
be?
interesting. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. You can already kind of tell it's opened up a lot. You can kind of visualize what it's going to be like. I made a mess.
Awesome.
But I'm glad we did this before we moved in, just from a dust aspect. Getting all the dust out.
We are taking out this whole corner and then these two walls. There'll be 3 beams that are going in here. We got a quote for between $5,000 and $10,000 for those beams, including labor. So
It'll be double that probably though.
but it is going to transform this house into what I think matches the outside, just very grand and beautiful. I think it's totally gonna be worth it. I would rather spend money opening this up into this great room and having it just feel like really luxurious in here. I think it's totally worth every penny.
And you can kind of picture it all open here with this corner gone. It's gonna be amazing.
So I wanted to show you guys because originally I talked about doing the kitchen in this room because of the high ceilings and kind of connecting it to the great room. And a lot of you thought that was a really dumb idea. Thanks for letting me know. But what I think you guys are missing is that you walk into this foyer here.
From the outside, yeah.
From the outside, you're walking in, and this is like your entryway, and then you come into the kitchen this way. I think a lot of people thought that you just walk right into this room, but there is like a flow to the house now.
Yeah, and then the dining room's still over there, but.
Yeah, so I think it'll totally make sense, and we are doing the kitchen in this room. So we're gonna have my big island and appliances all along that back wall with a big vent hood, and then looking into the great room, overlooking the pool. I think it's really just gonna make sense and be beautiful. So that's what we're doing. Yep, so you kind of walk into here, which is the great room. Pool is right down here. There's a deck off this way. So it'll just like flow really nicely, I think.
Looks good. You look good. It doesn't look so good.
Yeah, we're definitely making this house worse and worse as each day goes forward, but eventually we are going to rebuild it. So have faith. It's gonna be beautiful.
All right, so as far as what we're doing for the rest of the day, I'm gonna continue to use this tool to kind of cut an exact line of drywall, because right now it's really rough and we wanna be able to patch the drywall later. So I'm gonna cut some straight lines across the top here so we can take this out and see what the beam looks like currently. Our contractor wants to see what's in the ceiling up here as well. So I'm gonna be taking that down and then obviously cleaning all this up, which is gonna take a while.
3 days later.
All right, so I wanted to give you guys a quick update. Our contractor has officially ordered the beams and he said it's possible to do, so I'm trying to save as much money as I can by doing as much of the demo work because this is primarily a labor intensive job. What you're paying for is the labor. So by taking some of this extra drywall out, we can just get a full view of what actually is gonna happen here. So let me show you. So we are getting a 20-foot beam that will go from there all the way to the stairs to the basement over there. So that's the biggest beam. Then there's going to be a 14-foot beam that goes from there to the main beam. And then I forget how big this one is. There'll be a beam that goes from that corner down to there as well. So 3 main beams. The price is going to be higher than he originally thought, of course. But there's just like a lot of electrical stuff going on and labor as far as that goes. Another way we found to save is by, instead of paying an HVAC person to move the cold air returns, which are right down here, we're going to get some of those old grates you see in a lot of the Heritage Hill homes, like the vintage 200-year-old homes in our area have them. It's just like a fancy metal grate that goes right in the floor instead of having your cold air returns in the wall. So by not having to move the HVAC, that's going to save us some money. But he still threw out the number $15,000, so about triple what he originally said. I don't think he really gave an accurate estimate to start though, and he didn't know we'd need 3 beams. So that's what we're looking at, but we're excited to see these walls come out. So up here painting is Sarah. Sarah, when do we move in?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, so we're still trying to figure that out.
Got some work to do.
What are we gonna do? We're probably gonna be
all
putting mattresses in the bedrooms over there.
Yep. My mom came down to watch the girls, and I'm painting, cleaning. We're gonna get some, area rugs and mattresses and sleep in this mess. So it's gonna be an adventure. That's what we keep saying.
Can we show them this? I think we probably already posted this video, but this is our bathroom remodel.
Is this a different video?
It's not going so well, yeah.
It is. We're just...
Have to repaint some stuff.
Yes. It'll be beautiful. We're getting it.
You probably already saw it though. But hopefully you can kind of just see our vision for this place. We move in very soon. We're probably going to be living in our camper until some of this can get taken care of. It's a little too crazy right now. We at least need carpet upstairs because right now there's really nowhere to live or hang out. So that's the plan. Stick around. You probably think we're crazy by now if you didn't think so before. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.